is strictly prohibited, dear scavengers. No? That's part. Yes. Ay hindi lang ang ginahalunggahan natin ang mga Dubai na sa ating Ginoo, but also we also take good care and give premium appreciation sa atong mga mamamayan Ilonggo laborers, farmers, at fishermen sa Ludo Pitas ninyo. Siya ang atong mga uniformed personnel from the Philippine National Police, from the Bureau of Farm Protection. Ako sila palakpakan! You also have the Red Cross, you also have the people and maintenance personnel sa Filipino Sports Complex.
Here, the sports complex.